Ever feel like insurance lingo is a foreign language? We've got your translator. Insurance for manufacturing isn't just about ticking boxes. It's about protecting your business from unique risks like equipment breakdown, supply chain disruptions, and liability issues. But here's the catch. Relying solely on brokers might leave gaps. Brokers work for insurance companies. Independent consultants, on the other hand, work for you. An independent consultant dives deep into your operations, identifying specific risks and crafting tailored insurance programs. They ensure you're not overpaying for coverage you don't need, or worse, underinsured. Why does this matter? Because when disaster strikes, the right insurance can be the difference between a minor setback and a major catastrophe. Consultants provide unbiased advice, comparing multiple policies and ensuring you get the best deal. Think of them as your personal risk advisors, ensuring every aspect of your manufacturing process is covered. It's not just about cost, it's about value and security for your business. So, take the guesswork out of your insurance strategy. Protect your business assets, your team, and your future. Contact Deshcap today, your independent insurance consultants for manufacturing, because your business deserves the best.